Heavy-duty material, made of thick braided nylon. Made for iPhone, MFI certified by Apple. Charging and sync data at maximum speed. Strong aluminum connector construction. Durability, easily coiled/fits in pocket. Withstands 90-degree bends greater than 5 times and holds up to 80 pounds. Introducing the Cellet USB charging and data sync cable for iPhone 7, 7 Plus and other Apple Lightning devices. Built with a braided nylon jack, this anti-tangle cable is created with durable materials that provide enhanced strain relief. 10-foot extra long length provides additional accessibility to your iPad or iPhone, and the slim connector fits most cases. Buy it now. Licensed to meet Apple's high standards. The cable is MFI certified, therefore it was created to meet Apple's strict manufacturer's standards, performance and specifications, and will not damage your device. Made for iPod, made for iPhone, and made for iPad mean that an electronic accessory has been designed to connect specifically to the iPod, iPhone, or iPad. Top reviews from the United States. Just over a month ago and so far so good. I keep it at my desk at work. I started using the cable I purchased just over a month ago and so far so good. I keep it at my desk at work so it is constantly in use. Unlike many cables I've tried, my iPhone has not rejected this one as not being compatible, so that is a huge plus for me. The Lightning cable arrived quickly, and at a great price. I'll definitely purchase this cable again.